Welcome to my channel. My name is Rita. I'm originally from Hungary, currently living in the Netherlands. If you would like to make something delicious, then stay tuned. You will need a sandwich toaster, tortilla wraps, this one is with carrots, and some tasty things to use as filling. You can spread some seeded mustard on it, or not. Optionally, you can add vegan pâté, corn, grated cheese, and let me show you how to wrap it all together. Done. And continue creating your sandwiches. Feel free to let your imagination run wild. You also can add onion, herbs, or some kinds of grated veggies. However, this can be stepped up further though. Let's make a sweet version too. To do so, spread it with peanut butter and some cinnamon, cacao powder, and jam. You are already a pro at folding. Let's break down the set design. And bake until done. If it starts to smoke, it's ready. Use your fingers and take it out onto a plate, but be careful. Well, thank you for your attention and your time. I hope you like it if you try it. In the next video, I will show you how you can save time. Until then, I wish you the best.